Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a multicolored kaleidoscope effect. So for this there are two options. You can do warm colours, which is red to yellow, and then cold colours, which is blue to purple. I'm personally doing cold colours, so you want to select whichever colour you're doing, and then fill in the entire page with that colour. Just like that. And then once you've done that, you want to just slide the colour across slightly to, in my case it's more blue, it might be more yellow, and then you want to just colour in the left part, leaving some of the original colour on the right, and slide it across a bit more, and then colour in that last part. You want to click on the wand, then click on Gaussian Blur, and slide it across, not too much, but just enough that it looks nice and blended. Now once you've done that, you want to select a new layer, then change the colour to black, and fill in the entire layer black, and or you can do white, but I personally prefer black. Once you've done that, you want to click on the tool next to gallery, and then click canvas, then turn on drawing guide, click edit drawing guide, select symmetry, then click on options. Now you can choose between quadrant or radial. It sort of depends which one you want. If you want it to be like repeated 6 times or 8 times, you do the radial. If you want it just to be repeated 4 times, you do quadrant. And once you've done that, you want to go onto that layer, the black layer, select the rubber tool, and then in just any pattern you want, you just rub out the black parts, revealing the colour underneath. And then you can just do this in whatever pattern you like, and then you can just really play around with it. So again, you can do this with cold colours like this, or warm colours like this, so you can really choose which one you want. Thanks for watching. Bye.